Want to speak English? It's okay. Let me show you. Hello guys, welcome back to Just the English. There are two parts of today's lesson. In the first part, we are going to learn 4 useful words. This, that, these, and those. And in the second part, we are going to learn 2 useful phrases. There is and there are. Alright, let's get to the first part. Let's listen to some sample sentences. Okay?
This is my husband. That is my boyfriend. These are my boyfriends.
Wow.
Those are also my boyfriends.
Wow. Alright. So the woman says, this is my husband and that is my boyfriend. Okay, so the first pair is this and that. We use both words to point at one thing, just one. The difference is distance. Okay, this is for one thing and is close to you. That is also for one thing, but is far from you. For example, the woman says, this is my husband, because the husband is next to her. The husband is close to her. And she says, that is my boyfriend, because the boyfriend is further away, is far from her. Alright. For example, this is a finger. Alright. And that is a hand. Okay? This is a finger. That is a hand. Okay? This is a ring. That is a watch. Alright? Okay, so the second pair, these and those. These are my boyfriends. And those are also my boyfriends. Okay, same concept, same idea. But now these and those are used for plural nouns. More than one. Boyfriends, right? More than one boyfriend. Okay, these is used for things that are close to you, and those for things that are further away, far from you. These are my boyfriends, the woman says, because the boyfriends are close to her. And she says, those are also my boyfriends, because the other boyfriends are further away, far from her. Alright, for example, these are my cats. These are my cats. The cats are close to me. The cats are next to me. And those are her Dalmatians. Those are her dogs. Because the dogs are far away from me. Alright, do you get it? Alright, let's move to the next part. Let's talk about there is and there are. Alright, let's get back to the woman's husband and boyfriend situation. For example, she can tell her husband, let's go to the park. There are my boyfriends there. There are my boyfriends there. Boyfriends, plural boyfriends, more than one boyfriend. Okay, so we use there are for plural things, more than one. There are my boyfriends there. Alright, she can also tell the boyfriends, do you want to come over to my house? There is My husband there. There is a husband of mine there. A husband of mine. My husband. Singular husband. Only one husband. Alright, so we use there is for one thing, singular thing. Alright, just kidding, guys. You shouldn't have that many boyfriends. No, sorry. You shouldn't have a boyfriend when you already have a husband at home. Alright? But you get it? Okay, let's look at another example. This is a picture of Adam and Eve and the serpent. So we can say there are two people and there is a serpent. There is a snake. There are two people and there is a snake in the picture. Easy, right?